Now, the next question is, what are the different challenges that might come in migrating or synchronizing the HPQC artifacts to TFS work items? So, we have come up with two different scenarios. So, in scenario one, what we are discussing is, let's say the engineering team is working in TFS and they are using it for their own development environment and checking the files into the system. Now, the QA team who are actually using HPQC are now split across, and a particular group wants to use HPQC and another group wants to move on to TFS MTM. So migration of these different artifacts like the requirements, test cases, and defects cannot be done overnight, and both the tools need to coexist for certain transition time. So it would be migration as well as a bidirectional synchronization between these two different tools. And how do we address this particular scenario? So I would come into the solution later when I discuss about how we address this particular challenge and convert it, and through a solution we give a proposition of doing this migration as well as synchronization through a single. Now, talking about the second scenario here is the engineering team is working in TFS, and the QA team who are using HPQC wants to move to TFS and wants to start using MTM, and they want to do it overnight. Now, additionally, the QA team, even after moving on to MTM, wants to use QTP for automation scripting. So this would be a one-way migration, as well as QTP scripts are to be executed from within the MTM environment. So how do we address this scenario as well? So now let's get on to the solution for addressing these two scenarios. So what are the features that we